So I was getting ready to make a video. I'll be posting it shortly in the next day or two about these radio chassis. And then I turned on the TV and everything changed. Quite emotional. Ozzy Osbourne has died. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ozzy Osbourne? He's been a part of all of our lives, every one of us. Black Sabbath? They were rocking hard when I was in like the fourth grade, and I'm 66 years old. Ozzy Osbourne rocked until the very end. He just did a reunion concert, I think. Oh my God, what an end of an era. An end of an era. Rest in peace, Ozzy. You crazy maniac, you. Oh boy. Ozzy Osbourne was rocking hard before my voice changed, before I had hair on my nuts or my chin. You know what, man? We got to say goodbye to Ozzy before I cry. Might. Ozzy Osbourne, you crazy maniac. Rest in peace, man. I'll be seeing you soon. I'm about to cry. I'll be seeing you soon, Ozzy. I'll teach you CW, and you can teach me how to bite the head off of a bat. Oh, I'm sorry, man. You didn't deserve all that, Ozzy. Well, kind of you did. Kind of brought that all on yourself, didn't you? Rest in peace, old man. All the world loves you, Ozzy.